Hey y'all, so this is in the barn with the chicks at 5 days old. So these are the Rhode Island Red pullets, 5 days old. Starting to see the feathering on the wings come in. These are going to be egg production hens in the future. So hatched October 23rd, 2024. They should be at the point of laying eggs around 5 months old. And then these were also hatched October 23rd, 2024. So they're the same age, 5 days old, but these are Cornish Rock Cross meat chickens. So the Rhode Island Red pullets we were looking at, we have 60 total of them. And these Cornish Rock Cross meat chickens we have, is actually a pen of 127 of them. So we'll have them finished for poultry in about 6 weeks. We actually already have their processing date scheduled for December 4th, 2024. So kind of interesting about their processing date. Their processing date has been set up with our poultry processor for about a year. So their processing date for December of 24 was set up the first week of December 2023. And their hatch date, which was October 23rd, we just mentioned that, but their hatch date October 23rd, 2024 was set up the first week of January 2024. So when you have a poultry operation, even a small one, for commercial sales for meat and for eggs, a lot of the planning that goes into your flocks and your production, a lot of that planning happens about a year in advance. I don't know what this one found. So Cornish Rock Cross meat chickens, they're going to grow super fast. They're going to be ready for processing for poultry in about 6 weeks. So that's as long as they're here on farm. We're in Southeast Ohio, a small, independent, family-run poultry operation. Proud to be part of the 2% of American agriculture producing food. And when we finish this flock, we will have started 1,650 Cornish Rock Cross meat chickens here in our small poultry operation for 2024. And that will, December 4th, when they go to processing, that will conclude our poultry production for 2024. We don't have our calendar set for 2025 yet, but we are in the works of planning the processing dates and hatching dates and the quantity we want to raise over the year and the number of flocks we want to divide them into. And then with these chicks, like I said, they're already planned for being part of the 2025 egg production. We did not have to order them as far ahead in advance, but we are planning, already for 2025 what production threshold we want to be at with eggs. We currently have 60 egg production hens of mixed breeds that are anywhere from 1 to 3 years old. We have different age points in our actual production flock. So the youngest the youngest in our production flock that we're getting eggs from right now were hatched February of 24, and this is October 24. And then the oldest are about 3 years old. So this little group of 60, where'd you go? This little group of 60 Rhode Island Reds will definitely be in our egg production for 2025. And we may keep about half of the hens that are currently laying and keep them in continuance in production. Probably the ones that were hatched this February that are the youngest ones. So we're anticipating about 90 hens in egg production for 2025. And like I said, we got to decide what we want to do with our meat bird operation for 2025 in terms of numbers. So hey, thanks for joining us at Twin Oaks Family Farm. I wanted to show you the chicks, 5 days old. We'll continue to record them a little bit every day and show them to you. Thanks for watching our videos and letting them run start to finish. Please like and comment and subscribe. God bless y'all.